Good morning, party people. My name is Jazzelle, and I'm coming to you live from New York City. Today, I'm going to be taking you through a very natural, easy, everyday glam look. Since it's giving natural, I'm going to start with a dark black paint that we're just going to create to accentuate the eye shape. If you can't tell already, I'm inspired by an absolute icon, the Croc. You know, I'm really excited to hear all the comments. Thanks. I did it myself. Yeah. Okay, I'm hearing that Croc couture. I'm so happy to do something fun and cute and subtle. It's quite therapeutic or orthopedic or whatever it's called. I don't know. Just where the connecting point of that strap is, because why not? We're slowly arriving at the station. Don't know if my nose is crooked or the rhinestones. Inspired by these dolls, we are gonna do a white lash. Boom. Okay, now let's get into the blush. Where's the blush? I'm just gonna go ahead and paint my favorite brush, i.e. shoe, i.e. Croc. Boom. Like I said, Croc couture down. Hello. I'm sorry, but it's really giving what it needed to give. Okay, yes. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for tuning in live for the Christian Cowan Crocs collab.